All right, students, today we're going to be looking at lesson 11.3, find unknown side length. So this is part of our finding perimeter. So in the video that you watched before this, you were looking at area. Now we're focusing on perimeter and specifically finding those unknown side lengths.
How can you find the unknown length of a side in a plane figure when you know its perimeter?
So that's our essential question for today. I want you to look at the words unknown length and perimeter. Those are our focus words today.
Well, hello. Calypso and I are seeing different shapes everywhere we look. There are polygons all around us. Those highway signs are great examples. I see all kinds of quadrilaterals. This speed limit sign is a rectangle. Hey, I found out that the perimeter of the speed limit sign is 12 feet. The left and the right sides of the speed limit sign are both 4 feet. I wonder what the length of the top and bottom sides are. You know, I think there is a way to find that out. We can use addition and subtraction. Come on, let's see if we can find out more about how to find the unknown side lengths.
So to solve this one, the equation it's showing is 4 plus W plus 4 plus W equals 12. The bunny also mentioned that you could use subtraction. So subtraction would look like 12 minus 4 equals the W plus W. So here, what it looks like is here's our rectangle sign. It says speed limit 55. So I know that 2 of the sides have the length of 4, and I'm solving to find out what are these side lengths. So this length is 4. And this one is 4, and I know that they're the same because this is a rectangular shape. So these two lengths are the same. Now I have to determine what is this one and what is this one. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus blank equals 12. And these have to be the same. So if I look here, 12 minus 4, that's 12 minus 4. Is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So I'm solving for these two. What plus what equals 4? 2 plus 2. Now we'll check it up here. 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 4 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. So this length is 2 and this length is 2. So we solved for our unknown by taking our total, and this is our perimeter, and we subtracted what we already knew, and then we had to use some different problem-solving strategies to solve for that. If that was too abstract for you, you could plug in different numbers until you understood. So I might look at this number and say, okay, well, I'm going to say W is 1, okay? 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Oh, W has to be a number greater than 1. So you could also solve this using trial and error, trying different numbers and seeing if the equation fits.
Let's hear a problem about perimeter. Chan has 24 feet of fencing to put around his garden. He has already used the lengths of fencing shown. How much fencing does he have left for the last side? Let's unlock the problem. What do you need to find? You need to find how much fencing Chen has left for the last side of his garden. To solve this problem, you need to find the unknown side length. The letter N stands for the unknown side length. Start with an equation for the perimeter of the garden. If you knew the length, N, you would add the side lengths to find the perimeter. Read the problem to find the perimeter of Chen's garden. What's the perimeter of the garden?
It says Chen has 24 feet of fencing to put around his garden. He has already used the lengths of fencing shown. How much fencing does he have left for the last side? Let's focus on this first part. Chen has 24 feet of fencing to put around his garden. And remember, perimeter is this area around a shape. The difference between perimeter and area is that perimeter is just going around the shape, just like a fence goes around a yard, whereas area is all the space within a shape, like the grass in a yard. So when we look at 24, we know that 24 is what it's all going to add up to because the perimeter is 24. So every side added together equals 24.
Chen has 24 feet of fencing to put around the garden, so the perimeter is 24 feet. Next, add the lengths of the sides you know. What's 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3?
4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17.
The sum of the lengths of the sides you know is 17. Now you have the equation 17 plus n is equal to 24. Addition and subtraction are inverse operations. You can use the inverse operations to write a related equation.
Remember,
What's a
inverse
related
means
equation
opposite.
that uses subtraction?
Inverse means opposite. So 24, 17 plus n equals 24. What would be the opposite of that? N equals 24
N
minus
is equal to 24 minus what number?
17.
17. A related subtraction equation is n is equal to 24 minus 17. What's 24 minus 17?
24 minus 17, we can solve it on our paper. 24 minus 17. 4 is less than 7, so I need to cross out my 4 and come break apart this group of 10. I only have one group of 10 there now because I'm adding 10 here. So I now have 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 7. We're in this problem 7 feet because we want to keep our unit.
24 minus 17 is equal to 7. What's the unknown side length?
The unknown side length is 7 feet.
The unknown side length is 7 feet. How much fencing does Chen have left for the last side?
So it says he has already used the lengths of the fencing shown. So he's already done all of these. So how many feet of fencing does he have left? He has these 7 feet left.
Chen has 7 feet of fencing left for the last side.
And we're going to stop there for now.